QS stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Quantumscape stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented what's working, what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel. Especially with this, I have a very bullish bias that came down from here, which I sort of still kept on the chart, which I'll actually get rid of because it's just in the way. I want it to be out of my way. Because now, like, still genuinely, if there is a double break, then and only then I'll be looking to take things further up. But randomly buying will just not be freaking happening. So let me just do this. Here it is. So all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if I come up here, QS, you can see that I've got around 9 results in my Discord. So obviously that's not small. There's not lack of coverage on QS, and I'm still generally going to stick to my bias. And if no rules are met, I'm not going to buy. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making blueprint in your emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. It's free.